In this video, we're going to show how to replace the Human Touch ZG3 remote control. You may wish to turn the chair on its side as shown here for easier access, not necessary. But all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Using that Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws to secure the remote bracket to the power panel. Then simply pull the wires through the power panel until the connectors are exposed so that you can disconnect them. To reinstall the new remote control, then simply complete those steps in reverse.